Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Desi Roti from scratch. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of whole wheat flour, approximately 1 cup of water, and a small pinch of salt. Ensuring your flour is fresh is key to achieving that perfect, soft texture. Let's get started with preparing our dough. Now let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, combine your flour and salt. Slowly add the water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, transfer it to a clean surface and knead it vigorously for about 8 to 10 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your rotis soft. Once smooth, cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for elasticity. With our dough rested, it's time to shape the rotis. Divide the dough into 8 to 10 equal portions, rolling each into a smooth ball. Lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Now, gently roll each ball into a thin, even circle, aiming for about 6 to 7 inches in diameter. Don't worry if they aren't perfectly round at first. Practice makes perfect. Consistency and thickness is more important for even cooking. Finally, let's cook our rotis. Heat your tawa or flat griddle over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Place a rolled roti onto the tawa and cook for about 30 seconds until small bubbles appear. Flip it and cook the second side for another 30 to 40 seconds. For that classic puff, you can briefly place it directly over a flame or gently press with a clean cloth. Serve your fresh, warm rotis immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.